Hello, everyone! Welcome to the brand new 30 Days English Challenge. I am so excited to start this journey with you. For the next 30 days, we will learn English together, step by step. Every single day, you'll get a short, powerful lesson that will help you speak English more easily, more clearly, and more confidently. Okay, why this challenge is important? Let me ask you a question. Do you sometimes feel nervous when speaking English? Do you forget words or translate from your native language? Do you feel that English is difficult? If your answer is yes, don't worry, you are not alone. Thousands of learners face the same problem. But here's the good news. If you give me just 10 minutes every day for 30 days, I promise your English will change. You will feel more confident. You will learn natural English chunks, and you will finally be able to speak without fear. How this challenge works? Clear roadmap. Let me quickly explain how this challenge will work. Every day, I will upload one new video. Each video will include sentences, phrases, and practice activities. Your job is simple. Listen, repeat, and practice speaking. You don't need to memorize grammar rules. You don't need to study boring textbooks. Just watch the video, repeat after me, and practice speaking every day. By the end of 30 days, you will surprise yourself with how much English you can speak. Benefits: what you will achieve. Here's what you will get from this challenge. You will speak English in your daily life, shopping, school, work, travel. You will stop translating in your mind. You will build confidence to talk with anyone. You will learn over 500 useful sentences and chunks in just 1 month. Right? Now, I have one special request. I have created a WhatsApp group only for this challenge. In this group, learners like you can practice together, share their progress, ask questions, and get my personal support. The link is in the description. Please join right now so you can be part of our learning family. Together, we will motivate each other and complete all 30 days successfully. So, are you ready to accept this challenge? Remember, consistency is the key. If you practice every single day, you will see amazing results. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and join the WhatsApp group so you don't miss anything. Let's begin this journey together. See you tomorrow